I don't know what requested protocols, what kind of variable is that? Is that like a string? Or is that like a data object that I don't know anything about? I don't know. Wish it would tell me. Guess not. List of multiple subprotocols of what object type? Supported by the client. What kind of, what does that mean? Remote server will select the best subprotocol that it supports and send that back when establishing the connection. Okay, so connect works. Request options should either be null or an object specifying additional configuration options to be... All these things talking about options, and they don't tell me like, oh, this is how you encode an option. This is what an option should be. This is what X and Y and Z should be. Nothing. We don't get anything like that.